Making money online can be challenging, but Chatgpt offers a unique opportunity to earn money while doing what you love. With the help of this AI tool, you can take advantage of this platform to generate income in a sustainable and reliable way. And the best part is, you can get started right away, even if you don't have any high-demanding skills, as it is completely easy for beginners. Though there are several ways to make money with Chatgpt, we will discuss the most popular and effective methods to get the most out of this tool. Let's begin. Number 1. Content writing. Do you have a passion for crafting compelling stories and writing engaging content? Well, Chatgpt can help you transform your writing skills into cash. In today's world, businesses and individuals are on the lookout for high-quality content for their websites, social media channels, and marketing materials. May it be blogging, article writing, copywriting, or whatever. With Chatgpt, you can create compelling and engaging content that stands out in a crowded digital landscape. This AI tool is designed to help you generate top-notch content quickly and easily. You can write persuasive product descriptions, craft engaging blog posts, or create informative articles with ease. With Chatgpt, you don't have to worry about spending hours coming up with ideas or editing your work. This technology does the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on what you do best, and that is writing. To get started, all you need to do is create a profile on popular freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms connect businesses with freelancers who can provide a wide range of services, including writing, design, and programming. You can offer your services as a Chatgpt copywriter or content creator and start earning money right away. 2. Virtual assistants or customer support. With the ever-increasing demand for instant solutions, businesses are striving to provide top-notch customer service. One way to achieve this is through the integration of chatbots. Chatbots allow businesses to provide instant responses to their customers, making their experience seamless and hassle-free. This is where Chatgpt comes in. Chatgpt is not just a language model. It is a powerful tool that can be leveraged by businesses to provide excellent customer support. By creating a Chatgpt-based chatbot, businesses can ensure their customers receive quick responses to their queries and concerns. With Chatgpt, the chatbot can understand and interpret human language, enabling it to provide relevant and accurate responses. Creating a Chatgpt-based chatbot may seem daunting, but it is a pretty straightforward process. Simply tell Chatgpt to write you a Python code of a personalized chatbot. It will give you instructions. Once the chatbot is set up, it can be integrated into the business's website, social media pages, or other platforms where customers may seek assistance. With the OpenAI API, you can easily access and search through an indexed JSON file to find the information you need. And with the power of TypeScript, you can easily create a robust and user-friendly front end for your chatbot. Whether you want to use your AI chatbot for customer service, technical assistance, or database management, Chatgpt is here to help. By utilizing the advanced capabilities of Chatgpt, you can create a custom-trained chatbot that is perfectly suited to your needs. Number 3. Translation. Chatgpt's versatile capabilities are not limited to just answering questions and generating text. With its powerful natural language processing capabilities, Chatgpt can also function as a language translator. This opens up a world of possibilities for bilingual or multilingual individuals who can use Chatgpt to translate documents, web pages, and even live conversations. The demand for translation services has increased rapidly in recent years, driven by globalization and the need for businesses to communicate with customers and partners in different languages. This has created a growing market for language professionals, but the traditional translation process can be time-consuming and expensive. Chatgpt offers an alternative solution that is both quick and cost-effective. There are many ways to offer your services as a Chatgpt-based translator. Freelance websites such as Upwork and Fiverr allow you to create a profile and advertise your services to potential clients. You can also reach out to businesses directly and offer to translate their content for a fee. With Chatgpt, language translation has never been easier or more accessible. Whether you're looking to expand your business or simply communicate with people from different parts of the world, Chatgpt can help you break down language barriers and connect with others in meaningful ways. 4. API integration. Chatgpt offers an API, application programming interface, that allows developers to integrate the language model into their own applications or platforms. The Chatgpt API offers a range of features such as natural language processing, sentiment analysis, text summarization, language translation, and more. With the tool, you could offer API integration services to businesses and individuals who want to incorporate the language model into their own applications or platforms. You could also offer customization services to meet the specific needs of your clients. With the increasing demand for AI-powered solutions, API integration services can be a lucrative business opportunity for Chatgpt developers. 5. Generate ideas. By using Chatgpt to generate YouTube video ideas, you can save time and effort in brainstorming and come up with more creative and relevant ideas. Let me guide you on how you should proceed. Ask Chatgpt to come up with video ideas for your YouTube channel. This will help you generate ideas that are relevant to your target audience. Next, enter a topic related to your niche, such as fitness tips, cooking ideas, or travel destinations. Then, hit Generate. The Chatgpt model will generate several ideas related to your topic. Review the ideas and select the ones that interest you the most. You can also refine your search by using more specific keywords or phrases. Once you have a few ideas, you can use Chatgpt to combine them and come up with even more creative video ideas. For example, if you have ideas for fat loss and breakfast, you could combine them to create a video on 5 easy healthy breakfast recipes for fat loss. You can also use Chatgpt to generate catchy titles and descriptions for your videos. This will help attract more viewers and improve your search engine rankings. Number 6. Publishing ebooks. Chatgpt can help you write amazing ebooks and get them published. To begin, you can simply ask Chatgpt to help you come up with ideas. The first step is to choose a topic. Remember that the topic should be narrow enough to keep you focused, but broad enough to generate plenty of ideas. Once you have your topic, you can use Chatgpt for research and detailed content generation. It can help you find statistics, gather information, and generate outlines for your ebook. Next, you can begin writing your ebook. You can use MS Word or Google Docs, or any specialized ebook editor to create your content. As you write, you can use Chatgpt to refine your content, identify errors, and suggest improvements. Chatgpt can also help you with sentence structure, grammar, and tone to make your writing more engaging. After you have finished writing your book, you can use Chatgpt to edit and revise your content. You can refine your ebook cover design, format your content, and add images and graphics using a graphic design tool or ebook publishing software. Once you are satisfied with the final product, you can publish your ebook on a platform such as Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, or Smashwords. Finally, you can use Chatgpt to generate descriptions and keywords for your ebook. This will help you promote your ebook and reach a wider audience. By using Chatgpt for ebook writing and publishing, you can save time and effort while creating a high-quality and engaging ebook. 7. Email marketing services. Email affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money with Chatgpt. The chatbot is skilled at writing persuasive emails that can encourage users to click on links and purchase products or subscribe to services. To get started, you'll need to choose an affiliate program, such as Amazon, Shopify, or ConvertKit. You can either create your email list through lead generation, or you can act as a freelancer who can provide compelling email support to clients worldwide. Once you decide which path to go for, you can use Chatgpt to craft a compelling email campaign that highlights the benefits of the product or service and includes your affiliate link. It's important to monitor your campaign for click-through rates and conversion rates to gauge its performance. Email affiliate marketing is an easy way to make money with Chatgpt, as the chatbot can do most of the work for you. With minimal effort, you can create an effective email campaign that generates revenue through affiliate sales. If you use it correctly, Chatgpt can help you boost your business and increase your revenue. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these methods and use Chatgpt to make money today. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below on your experience using Chatgpt. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.